Hey guys, welcome to Pam's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how I make a very easy meal. It's on a vegan diet now. So today I will show you how to make tofu salad, Thai tofu salad, or Larb Tofu. Our ingredients: we need tofu, lime juice, chili powder, rice powder, soy sauce, mint, cilantro, and cabbage. So we'll mix all the ingredients together. Start from tofu, rice powder, chili, lime juice, soy sauce, then mix everything together. Put cilantro and mint. Then mix it again. Now put in serving bowl. And plate it. We will have it with cabbage, and I have a little bit leftover mint. If you have long green beans, you can use it too, or eggplants. And here we go. Thank you very much for joining me today, and next time, if you have some menu that you want me to cook for you, just let me know. Otherwise, I'm just gonna make my favorite food. Thank you. Bye.